table inheritance. So here we have three different classes: class A, class B, and class C. So A is the parent of B, B is the parent of C. So it is basically grandparent. If you can say it is a grandparent, and it is the basically a parent, and it is basically a child. So let us start creating this. So we are defining a class A, and within class A we are writing int x. So there is one variable x, and then we are writing a constructor for class A. So here I will just make 10 equals to x equals to 10, and here I am writing system dot out dot println grandparent. That's all I'm going to write, and then we have a method void show A. So within that I'm just writing system dot out dot println I am grandparent method. That's all I am going to write only, and then it is perfectly alright. So this is class 1 class we have defined. Now we are writing another class, class B. Within that I am defining int y, and within the constructor I am just going to give you I'm just making a small change over here, int p, and here I am changing this, making it p, and here I am int p, int q, and within that I am writing super p and y equals to q. And then here system dot out dot println parent. Okay, so this is, and then I'm coming back again here. So a continuation from here, void show B. Here I am writing system dot out dot println I am parent method. So this is about class B. So here up to this we have class A. This is basically about the class A. And then we started with this class B, okay, and this will be continued over here. So this is basically the remaining part of this, and now we are going to have class C. So so let us try to write over here class C. So here I am defining the constructor, and here I am defining int z, and here I am defining int p, int q, int r. Here I am writing super p comma q and z equals to r, and again I am writing system dot out dot println I am child. And then finally void show C. Within that I am writing system dot out dot println I am child method plus x plus y plus z. So this is actually what we have done so far. This would be a very interesting program. Let us try to understand what we have wrote so far. What we have wrote so far. So